Hello friends and folks, welcome to Angie's Kitchen. This is where nutrition starts. Basically what I'm doing today is I'm going to make you lemon bar protein little cupcakes. Not bars, cupcakes, sorry. And what we're going to do, we're going to take some egg whites. I'm going to go ahead and turn on our flame. We got 4 egg whites. You have half a cup of water, 4 ounces. We have half a cup of stevia, which you can actually use Splenda, basically any kind of artificial sugar. It's just my choice of preference, raw stevia. And then we also have baby food. Weird, you think. Why would you add baby food? Well, it's got now a lot of nutritional values, and it adds a nice little flavor to it. So you scoop that right out of the jar, 4 ounces. So you want 8 ounces collectively. Just get all our wet ingredients mixed together right here. We got the jar going. Alright. And then after this, we're going to actually mix all our dry ingredients. You want to have your dry ingredients separate from your wet, and then we'll combine them afterwards. But make sure, before you actually start any of these prepping, you need to turn your oven on to 350 degrees. Get it nice and warmed up, which that takes about 10 minutes to warm it up. And it's always good to clean up as you go, because otherwise you have a big mess in the end. Marilyn, come here. In fact, it's great to have a nice cleanup crew. Not everybody has it, but you know, I'm kind of lucky on that part. Come here. Marilyn, up. Marilyn, up. Come on. Up. Marilyn, come on. We practiced this. Come on, up. Jeez, she's being something else. Come on, Marilyn, up. Come on, up. Okay, she doesn't want to do it. She's nervous. I guess she's a little camera shy. But anyways, we'll just keep on going. Well, we've got basically 1 cup of dry oats. Basically what you do, you just get some regular oats. I put them in the Magic Bullet and it grinds them up. Grinds up everything. I even do my protein shakes in them. It's really good. And then you want 2 scoops of our isolate protein. As I use Muscle Farm, but you can use any. Just make sure it's vanilla flavor because it goes with the applesauce to make it that lemony flavor. And what gives it that lemon flavor is actually Crystal Light. You want 2 quarts. Open this up and you just pour it right in with everything else. Perfect. And then you have a half a teaspoon of baking soda, and then 1/4 a teaspoon of salt. So let's throw all these mixing. While all that's mixing up. It's always good because you work out all the time, but then you can always screw up your workout if you don't eat right, because that's 80%. That's the reason why it's always good to make your own protein bars, I say, because you don't know what's in it. And a lot of times they're higher calories, higher sugars. It's just a no good situation. So this way you know exactly what is going into your protein. So next, we've got all the wet ingredients here, the dry ingredients here. We're going to mix it all together, like so. Flo gets on the counter, that's okay. My cleanup crew, when she's not so camera shy, will clean it up for me. Guess she's not getting her milk done. Okay, get a nice feed, about 4, get a good mixture going on. Perfect. Okay, then go ahead and lift it. You can also do this by hand if you don't have a standing mixer. You can use a freehand 1 spoon. Doesn't matter. Either will work out perfectly. Alrighty, so that is done. Throw that in the sink. Now we will divvy it up. A little bit of halfway for each one. And you're going to basically have this in the oven for about 23 minutes. It's okay if you get a little bit on the sides, alright, it'd be a little messy. And there's a lot of other different recipes you can do with these. You can do like a chocolate flavor and basically just switch a few items on, do cocoa in it, and then use actually a berry flavored baby food. You'd be surprised how much nutrition is in it for the babies. Almost done here. One more. And it's good to eat these, you know, right before a workout or right afterwards because it's nice and light, so it's not too heavy. Perfect. A little messy, but it's not going to kill you. Go ahead and put that in the oven. Like I said, you want to give it about 23 minutes. I think it's been 23 minutes. Voila. It's magic how that happens on camera. It goes a lot faster. I'm going to go ahead and take them out. This is my favorite part, your least favorite part, because you are not here to enjoy. Pretty good, I say. Well, if you keep in touch, next time I will show you how to make brown Rice Krispie treats. Who thought those could actually be healthy? Well, that's all I have to show you today. So now it's my turn to go to the gym. Now I've got my snack, got my protein. Now it's time to work on my commitment issues. Thank you all for joining me.